Today we will learn the basic words that are usually we speak and we use these words. First word is marhaba. Marhaba means hi and hello. Marhaba. Marhaba means hi and hello. And if you want to say someone welcome, then in Arabic you will say ahlan wa sahlan. Ahlan wa sahlan means welcome. Yeah, you are welcome. So if you want to someone say you are welcome, then you will say in Arabic ahlan wa sahlan. And if you want to say someone kaifa anta, kaifa anta means how are you. In Arabic, if you want to say someone how are you, then you will say in Arabic kaifa anta. Kaifa anta means how are you. In the response, we will say I am good and fine. Same way in the Arabic, we will say أنا بخير, أنا طيب, أنا طيب, أنا بخير. If you want to ask someone what is your name, then in Arabic we will say ما اسمك, ما اسمك. ما اسمك means what is your name, ما اسمك. If you want to say my name is example Muhammad, then in Arabic you will say Ismi Muhammad, Ismi Muhammad. And same way you can ask that person's name, Wama Ismuk. Wama Ismuk means and what is your name? And what is your name? Wama Ismuk. If you want to ask someone where are you from? Where are you from? In Arabic you will say Min aina anta. Min aina anta. Min aina anta means where are you from? Min aina anta. Min aina anta means where are you from? Example, if you want to say someone I am from Dubai, then in Arabic you will say Ana min Dubai. If you want to say I am from Qatar, then in Arabic you will say Ana min Qatar. If you want to say someone I am from Riyadh, in Arabic you will say Ana min Riyadh. Same way you can say your country's name and you can introduce yourself. Min ayyi madinatin anta, or you can say min ayyi baladin anta. It means from which city you are. In Arabic you will say ana min madinati, and after that you mention the city name. Example, if you want to say I am from Dubai, then you will say ana min Dubai. Or if you want to say I am from Riyadh, then say ana min madinati Riyadh. If someone asks where do you live, then in Arabic you will say aina taskun. Aina taskun. Aina taskun means where do you live? Aina taskun. If you say I'm living in Dubai, then you will say ana min Dubai. Ana min Dubai. Or you can say askunu fi Dubai. Askunu fi Dubai. If someone asks you, are you married? In Arabic, you will say هل أنت متجوز. هل أنت متجوز means are you married? In Arabic, same way you will say هل أنت متجوز. If you say yes, I'm married, then in Arabic you will say نعم أنا متجوز. If you are not married, then in Arabic you will say لا أنا متزوج. If someone say excuse me, then in Arabic we will say لو سمحت. لو سمحت. لو سمحت means excuse me. In Arabic you will say لو سمحت. لو سمحت means excuse me. If you want someone any kind of the question, then in Arabic you will say ممكن سؤال. ممكن سؤال means can I ask a question? In Arabic you will say ممكن سؤال, can I ask a question? If you say someone where are you going? Where are you going? In Arabic you will say أين تذهب. أين تذهب. أين تذهب means where are you going? In Arabic we will say أين تذهب means where are you going? If you say I'm going for work, I'm going to work, in Arabic you will say أنا أذهب إلى العمل. أنا أذهب إلى العمل. أنا أذهب إلى العمل means I'm going to work. If you want to say I'm going to school, then you will say أنا أذهب إلى مدرسة. And if someone asks you where do you work, where do you work, in Arabic you will say أين تعمل. أين تعمل. أين تعمل means where do you work. أين تعمل. If you want to say I'm working in Amazon, then in Arabic you will say أنا أعمل في أمازون. أنا أعمل في أمازون. If you want someone say I think so, I think so, in Arabic you will say أظن ذلك. أظن ذلك. أظن ذلك means I think so. أظن ذلك means I think so. If you want to say someone, do you know this man? Or you want to say, do you know this guy? In Arabic, you will say هل تعرف هذا الرجل? هل تعرف هذا الرجل? هل تعرف هذا الرجل means, do you know this guy? If you want to say no, I don't know, in Arabic, you will say لا أعرف. لا أعرف means I don't know. لا أعرف. If you want to say someone, help me. Help me. In Arabic, we will say ساعدني. ساعدني means help me. ساعدني. ساعدني means help me. If you want to say someone very nice, very nice, in Arabic, we will say جميل جدا. جميل جدا. جميل جدا means very nice. جميل جدا. If you want to say very bad, very bad, in Arabic, we will say سيء جدا. سيء جدا means very bad. سيء جدا. If you want to say I'm sorry about that, I'm sorry about that, then in Arabic you will say أنا آسف على ذلك. أنا آسف على ذلك means I'm sorry about that. And if you want to say it's okay, don't worry, in Arabic you will say عادي لا تقلق. In Arabic you will say عادي لا تقلق means it's okay, don't worry. If you want to say someone forgive me, forgive me, then in Arabic you will say سامحني. سامحني means forgive me. سامحني. And if you want to say someone bye, goodbye, in Arabic you will say مع السلامة. مع السلامة means bye, goodbye.